So I first attended LSUs in 2016, 4 years back. So I was there with my daughter, wife, and kids. So at that time we were little thinking about unschooling and all the things. And when I came here and asked my daughter Radhika, so how many kids around her are unschooling? So she said almost all. So LSUs is a place where like all we've been doing, we are living a daily lives, but apart from that lives, there are many things which we are doing. So this is a place where all these dots are connecting. So like we have diverse crowd here, where people who are actually living that life, some people who are in a confused place, and another maybe a group is there who are looking for different perspectives. So we all together stay together as a community, share our thoughts, what kind of a work we are doing. So it's like a common platform where all these peoples come together, stay together for few days. It's like a community living, share our resources, share our knowledge, and you get a perspective of what's going all around the world. And you are not alone. You are not alone. There are many people who are thinking like you. So at one point you are all the same, and there are many people like you.
Nice.
So like I personally was feeling like why these thoughts are coming to my mind, why unschooling, why I'm getting these thoughts. But when I came here and saw, oh, there are a lot of people around me, so I got a lot of confidence in myself. यार बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो कर रहे हैं, and it's like hand holding ना. I share
Yes.
what I have and they share with what I have. So हाथ पकड़ के हल्के में जिंदगी जी लेंगे.
Correct. Perfect. And so यहाँ पे जो आपका unschooling, you're doing unschooling or homeschooling with your children. Can you tell us a little bit about your experience? What have you decided? And your son, you said, goes to school. So उसके बारे में थोड़ा.
Personally, I'm not into these word traps. Unschooling, word schooling, de-schooling, road schooling, word schooling, unlearning. So for me, it's all about your life.
Okay.
And it's not a word, it's not a definition. This is like the way you do it. I think I've met people, everybody has its own way of learning. And what I'm not into the word, whatever you name it. So basically I am into life. So I want my kids to experience life around them, to connect with the life around them. So now term, whatever you give me, the methodologies, whatever you choose, it is irrespective of that. So it is only एक जैसे मोबाइल है, बैटरी फुल है, नेटवर्क नहीं है. So network with the trees around you, with the people around you, with the plants, with the rocks, with the life around you, even with the non-living things around you. So learning is all about it, and it's not you cannot be confined to a place for all these things.
Nice. What is the situation with your children? Are they going to school? Are they don't like a regular school, as in brick and mortar school type?
Nee, I have twins,
Okay.
a son and a daughter.
Yeah.
So they are now 14 years old.
Right.
So whatever terms make, but they've never been to a structured school. Like in 4 years back, they were in like for only 1 year they were in structured school. That's what we call class 5.
Okay.
So after now, my daughter has still chosen that path to, we call it self-directed learning. So she decides what she wants to read and take her in her own ways. But my son has joined school
Okay.
last year. Yeah.
What prompted him to go back?
I'm not sure. He may be having his own reasons for that. But we are open now. One of my kids is going, one of is not going. So I'm open both ways actually.
Correct.
So because I personally feel it is much more beyond it actually. It may be something related to parenting.
Uh-huh.
It may be about your choices. But answering that question as a father, so I thought I'll expose him to both the fields. So this is like a structured way, and that's another way.
So
now,
he has opted for that.
No, he has. No, I don't decide for mine.
अच्छा. So you never decide for kids ever, or at what point did you say yeah ये बहुत छोटे उनको?
नहीं, at that time I decided.
Okay. So when they are first class, second class, third class, they said नहीं भेजो.
So that was my decision.
अच्छा.
That was my decision.
And
But
fifth-
now they have grown up now. They can
14.
decide for them, like they want to choose whatever path they can. So I think that was like my gift to them. So
Okay.
it should be their choice. Even in case it is schooling, it has to come from them.
ठीक है.
It
And
has to come from them.
correct. Fair enough. That's great.
So now whatever, depending upon their abilities, about their capacities, about their choices, so they can choose whatever path they want. They want to go to school, they can go to school. They don't want to go to school, they don't want to. They are free to do whatever they want to do.
Tell me one thing. I'm sure family and society, neighbors, and people who your friend circle, they they might say things to the effect of ये क्या कर रहा है, बिगाड़ रहा है आपका बच्चे का
हाँ,
future आप बिगाड़.
हाँ.
What is your response to those people?
हाँ ठीक है. I think do understand. I still face this challenge. But personally, you take my call. I have never been bothered about all this. It's about because actually I'm governed by myself.
ठीक.
So as a father, like I am not against my kids first. See, I'm not against my kids, and I'm not forcing my choices to somebody else's kids. At least अपने बच्चों का as a father, I can give them an option. I'm not forcing anything. I'm just giving them an option. So now you choose.
ठीक.
But लोग तो कहते हैं, they're still like my in-laws, my parents, they're still against it. They're not able to figure out what they are doing, what we are doing. But now 2 points here, they're very beautiful.
What's that?
They can see the difference in my kids.
Can you give some
My
examples?
kids are like so loving and so compassionate. So, and I proudly say, it's not about schooling, it's not about parenting, I don't know, whatever it is. But the respect which my kids give it to me, I'm very proud of that. Because I have given them that space to blossom. And that comes back to me as the deep respect. And not for me, even I have seen that respect they give it to their grandparents, the time they spend with their grandparents. So I think that's the biggest reward which I have.
Wow.
Maybe they don't know about the world around it, doesn't matter. But the warmth which they share to me, with everybody, with the friends. So that some feeling, those people around me which you are talking about blame me, they have it. See, they are scared, but somewhere down the line, यार बच्चे थोड़े अलग हैं. वो बच्चे बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, but वो डरते भी हैं because they are into that structured path. कुछ अलग करेंगे. See, your friends and your relatives are your worst enemies. So they love you so much, they will not let you keep your feet on the ground.
What do you recommend for people who are on this journey, who are also struggling with this part, who are afraid of exactly what you just said? What would you tell them? Would you advise them? नहीं, अगर आपके पास ताकत है तो मत करो, या आप मेडिटेशन करो, या what would you suggest?
नहीं, क्यों ना करो, करो. Take a gap, try it out, करके तो देखो.
बस केस वापस डाल दो.
गेम खेल के तो देखो, आके तो देखो, एक बार आओ तो उसमें. टेक अ गैप, मे बी टेक अ गैप ऑफ 1 year. लोग 12th के बाद छुट्टी लेते हैं, दे टेक अ गैप, IIT में जाएंगे, 1 साल ड्रॉप करेंगे. आप स्कूलिंग में एक बार गैप लेके देखो ना, क्लास 5 5th के बाद एक गैप लेके देखो. ट्राई अ गैप ऑफ 1 year. अरे 1 साल पीछे चले जाना, 5th गो बैक 1 year. हाउ डज इट इम्पोर्टेंट इन योर लाइफ? इज 1 year so important? You try 365 days living your life.
Right.
Just try one and then you decide. But at least go to school only, doesn't matter. But try to experience it. 1 साल तो अपनी जिंदगी आप अपने आप को गिफ्ट दे ही सकते हैं. Gift yourself 1 year.
I'd like to switch to asking her experience as a kid. So, if you can tell us about, I mean, for you this is your normal. I mean, for you this was the way, right? It was not like although you tried 5th standard as Dad was saying. So, what is your overall feel? Is it like that I don't know any other, so therefore this is cool for me, or do you feel that no, because I went in 5th for 1 year, here's what I feel? What is your take on that?
So, when I went to 5th, I was in a full conventional school with the homework, getting up early, heavy bags. But after 5th, it was our decision that we had to quit school and start with homeschooling. So the reasons were very obvious. We weren't satisfied with the system, so we just came off and we started homeschooling. So I don't really like to compare them, because homeschooling is different, unschooling is different, and schooling is different. They cannot be compared. And they both have different journeys. And so I choose unschooling right now.
But from the 1st to the 4th standard, you never went to school?
I did go to a school, but it was not a school, nor it was like a space. It was like a play school where 5 children would come for 3 hours, spend time together and go back.
I see. So it's not a regular school?
No, it was not.
But they would teach ABC and all?
Yeah, they would.
So did you learn how to read and write in that 1 to 5th standard, or did that happen at home or some combination?
So, well, I knew how to read and write, but I didn't know how to speak. I didn't know how to speak out. So, well, I was in Arohi. It's a place in Tamil Nadu. It's an open learning space.
Okay.
So there, I actually got to know that you need to speak out, literally. So I was really bad with languages. I didn't know Hindi that well. I didn't know English. So there, I got to know, how to speak out, how to talk to people, how to interact with people, and that's how I just, got to know. That's where I started speaking out, and that's where my vocals came into.
You are enjoying life?
Yeah, I am. So like I just developed a habit last year to read books.
Wow.
So that's how it's going on. So I don't need to read any English language book. I'm just reading novels which I like. Like I'm choosing what I want to read.
Anything else you would want to share with kids of your age?
So when I was 7, I wasn't really capable of making decisions. So it was his decision to make me unschooled or homeschooled. So I wasn't really knowing what's going around me. All I knew was just do whatever you're being said. So well, after, I don't think a 7-year-old child is capable of, I wasn't capable itself then making decisions or I should leave school. But at self, I was not satisfied with schooling, obviously. But I wouldn't really capable of making decisions that time. So I don't think a 7-year-old kid or a 10-year-old kid will be able to decide that I need to go out of school or yes, I'm satisfied with homeschool. I think like I'm like 14 now, or at 13 I got to know yes, this is how it all works, and I think I want to focus on this. That's why I want to do homeschooling, or I don't know what to do. That's why I'm doing school. So it's like that.
And I know it's a little too premature maybe to ask this question about at the age of 14, but I'm assuming if you look at your life, okay, let's see, if you're one of those type who lives in the present moment, then of course this question becomes irrelevant. But if you also, I don't know whether thinking of the future is something that school prepares you for, and maybe homeschooling is like, yaar, kal ka baad mein dekhenge, pata nahi. But do you feel that, यार कल अगर मैं if I decide to get married and have a child and all, what would I do? Would I do this path or would I do something else? पता नहीं. Where do you think you're at on that?
So well, there are many things in my mind which I think I need to chase them as my career. And yeah, I would definitely love to give my 10th. If I am on school, I would definitely give it by NIOS. Otherwise, I would be going to normal school. I would definitely giving my boards.
Oh.
So well, I have many things in my mind, and I already decided if I'm going this way, I need to go this way. So like the things which I want to do really don't need a certificate of 10th, but still I would like to give it. So it's like that. So well, I think I have things in my mind and I do plan stuff.
So, but your plan is like अभी के लिए यहाँ पे बाद में देखते हैं
No,
what happens.
No, so it's not like that.
हाँ, okay.
अभी बाद में देखते वाला नहीं है, उसके लिए भी अभी भी काम करना है.
Like for example, have you even thought like maybe कल मैं अगर शादी करके बच्चे करेंगे तो उनका स्कूलिंग का क्या करें?
नहीं, no
that's
way.
too far out.
No
नहीं,
way.
that is right now मेरा 10th की अभी बात है.
हाँ, वही
That's
चल
about
रहा है.
as much as the future
That's,
you'll see.
I'm not going that
What?
far. I'm like, yes, I have to give my 10th, I have to do this, so that's all. Yeah.
ठीक है. You wanted to say something then I.
Yeah, actually, when she was growing up, like she was not, I felt like she was not good in numbers.
हाँ.
So, but once going to school, so he has to study numbers. So, nahi of all kids in the same class, same things. So, otherwise, how would you have labeled that child who's not good in numbers? Nalayak hai? Nalayak hai, you'll get that guilt कि यार मेरा बच्चा अच्छा नहीं है, or you put them to tuitions and teach them. But I think she has some different abilities. Maybe she's not good in numbers, but she's good in a lot of other things. So I'm not against schooling, unschooling, but I'm against like everybody teaching the same thing to same set of kids. So I'm against that. Maybe few kids are very good in schooling, so it's perfectly okay. And few kids may not be good for homeschooling as well. So it's matter of your choices actually. It all like who decides how much to eat. So we don't say eat 2 chapatis everybody. So how do you feel like? And daily you eat differently. So even learn like even मन नहीं है करने का पढ़ने का. So like are you taking care of that my mood to study? And maybe when I'm ready to study I can lead a lot of new things. So when you come to schooling, so in those things are not well taken care of. Like individual child is not well taken care of. A group is taken care of, but individual child is not well taken care of. So like now when she is out, she has her own pace of studying. Maybe she studied maths and 3 years later. So I'm not against like teaching ABC or not. You see whatever you want to read and maybe you read more. But when you feel like, so maybe now you're not ready for maths, but 3 years down you are ready for maths. Okay, then you read 1, 2, 3 tables, but not now.
Just curious, are you okay with maths now?
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
mean, I'm
you're-
moderate. Like, I do it at my own pace, so I can't really judge myself.
Okay.
I'm doing it at my own pace.
Alright, cool.
So it's at your own pace. Like,
I was interviewing Dhiren ji in Gujarat somewhere in one village, and they had way back in the 80s they started homeschooling. They got married and homeschooling their children in the village itself. They bought a farm. They were professors in colleges and took that decision. When I asked the same question about maths, he said मैंने उनको कभी सिखाया नहीं. But I said, how does he know percentages and all? He says, I don't know, but I think जब हम साथ में जाते थे, like, अरे यार पूरा ट्रक लेना है, 2 टन का मैंगोज लेना है, ये और कितना टन बिक गया,
We do it daily.
Yeah, that's what we do.
it's
That's
like
what we
that you get the andaz of percentage based
That's what
on
we do.
conversation.
we do it daily.
Yeah.
और कितना मैथ्स आपको पढ़ना है? Daily we use maths in a daily life.
Correct.
इतना भैया खरीदा, इतना बेच दो, इतना प्रॉफिट हुआ, तो वो तो नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट है. वो नेचुरली सबको आता है. But well, I have a different take altogether. A lot of things I can add on to it.
Now,
Like she's studying chemistry.
yeah,
Like I'll go back. What
Okay.
she's doing.
I
अभी
see.
last 2 weeks she was studying chemistry.
just
So chemistry is पेट में एसिडिटी होती है ना, तो we thought it's all about chemistry. The food combination, मसाला अच्छा लग रहा है, नमक अच्छा लग रहा है, so it's all about chemistry. We went to regional food science center. Adulteration is all about chemistry. So chemistry is not just in books. You see how you are connected to chemistry. Once that connection is built, then chemistry is fun. And that internet is lost, connection is lost. So then everything is boring actually. So you have to create that spark.
what are the online resources? How do people get contacted? Are there other forums that they can go to?
See one. So it's not a path which is easily available.
I see.
So be ready for a journey. And that's exciting. That is exciting. In case you want convenience, then schooling is an option. But in case you are ready to take that journey, it's beautiful. There are a lot of options, thousands of options. But only thing is you are not aware of it. Once you choose the path, things will fall into place. I am sharing my story. I always used to see कौन करता है homeschooling. But once you visit such kind of a place, अरे बहुत लोग करते हैं. Then you have a network, have a family. I think once you decide something, na, nature take its own course. So you'll start figuring out. अरे मेरे तो बाजू में ही कर रहा है. Every city will have a set of homeschoolers.
I see. Which city are you from?
I'm from Lucknow.
Lucknow.
हाँ.
And there are many homeschoolers.
No,
there?
in Lucknow we are there. But in case somebody wants to figure out,
हाँ.
so they will figure out. है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ नया होने वाला है. It's all research. सब हो चुका है. यहाँ बहुत कुछ है.
मान लो कोई अभी लखनऊ में कोई देख रहा है ये वीडियो,
हाँ.
बोले ये लखनऊ वाले हैं,
हाँ.
तो how do they find online
मिलता है.
people?
मिलेगा.
अच्छा.
आप ढूंढो मिलेगा.
अच्छा. So you all have not found anybody else in Lucknow?
There may be few people, but you just write my name, Radhika Unschooling, homeschooling. कहीं ना कहीं मीडिया से Google है.
अच्छा.
Google has just read homeschoolers in Lucknow, homeschoolers around the world, unschooling, homeschooling. You will be flooded with data. थोड़ा पूछो, connect with them. Then maybe you don't like them. Then अगला step. धीरे धीरे you will find somebody you like. But once you decide, you will slowly figure out. Roads are there, people are there. People are very supportive. Now how we study is we daily go to some universities and study. रादर आप थक जाओगे यार, इतना ज्ञान मिल रहा है फ्री में, पैसे नहीं लगेंगे आपके, पैसे बचेंगे. And I'll tell you, time is a great wealth. In case you have time, everything is available. All government infrastructure is available, which is very economical. Just to add on to it, we attended a skiing course in Gulmarg for 14 days with world's best facilities for 6,000 rupees.
यार ये कैसे हो गया?
The magic. So that's the wealth of time.
अच्छा.
Time is a great wealth. So once you have time and you don't have fears, so you'll start. अरे मैंने सोचा ही नहीं कभी. अरे मैंने ऐसा कभी देखा ही नहीं.
अच्छा, स्कूल नहीं भेजने की वजह से टाइम मिल गया. You could go at a time when nobody else is there.
Yeah,
Exclusivity हो गया. Your vacations are like exclusive. You're the only ones in the resort.
That's what. Lot of conferences are there. आप किसी conference में घुस जाओ,
ये बढ़िया एडवांटेज है यार.
किसी डिपार्टमेंट में घुस जाओ, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, यूनिवर्सिटी में घुस जाओ, वहाँ तो ड्रेस भी बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है. मतलब you do not even to wear dress. You just boldly go and sit in the class, and there are a lot of people to help you. Everybody is of is they are waiting to help you. You take my words, everybody is just waiting for you to come. बताने को लोग बेताब बैठे हैं. आप लेने वाले तो बनो. आप लेने वाले नहीं बनो.
Thank you so much. Bye.